Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this panel here that holds the key fob battery. So first thing is we put the blade into the upright position like so. And now we get our fingers and thumbs in there and just simply remove the cover. Sometimes if it hasn't been off before, it can be quite stiff, so you may have to put a bit of force into it. And now we just remove the battery from the housing, and that is your key fob battery. We just get a little screwdriver and we just push it from its housing. This fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you just pop the board and the battery gently back into the fob, and then we just pop the case back on. And just click it all in place. And there you go, it's all done.